The highlights of today's defense news, 5th of February 26. BEML partners with IISc Bangalore FSID to advance next generation research. Ashok Leyland, PT Pindad sign MoU for electric buses and defense vehicles. HCLTech bags HAESL contract to overhaul aviation maintenance systems. In the global highlights, ASELSAN and CSG launch EU-based joint venture to deliver Korkut air defense on Tatra 6x6 vehicles. Germany contracts Polaris to develop two-stage hypersonic test vehicle. Denmark signs ammunition framework agreement with Rheinmetall. A look at the news in detail. BEML has entered into a strategic tripartite research collaboration with IISc Bangalore and its innovation and incubation arm FSID to advance blue sky, applied and translational research across emerging engineering and technology domains. The partnership is aimed at driving next generation research and technology development in critical areas including aerospace and defense, rail and metro systems, mining and construction equipment, maritime technologies, next generation mobility, green technologies, and advanced manufacturing. The collaboration has been formalized through the signing of a tripartite Master Research Agreement (MRA), establishing a structured framework for joint research execution, access to research infrastructure, and operational alignment. Ashok Leyland has entered into a strategic partnership with Indonesia's PT Pindad to jointly develop electric buses and defense vehicles, strengthening bilateral cooperation in sustainable mobility and advanced defense technologies. The partnership will focus on the joint development and manufacturing of the vehicles designed to meet Indonesia's mobility and national security requirements. The collaboration combines Ashok Leyland's expertise in commercial electric vehicle platforms and defense mobility solutions with Pindad's engineering capabilities and local manufacturing infrastructure. HCLTech has been selected by Hong Kong Aero Engine Services (HAESL) to transform its maintenance, repair and overhaul operations. Under this partnership, HCL Technology will deploy its IMRO4 asset management solution integrated with SAP S4 HANA as HAESL's maintenance execution system in Hong Kong. Intelligent maintenance, repair and overhaul of or IMRO is HCL Tech's specialized SAP endorsed software solution which integrates maintenance with enterprise processes like finance and material planning, reducing turnaround times and cost while ensuring compliance. The global news. Turkish defense firm Aselsan has partnered with the Czech industry to integrate its Korkut air defense system onto a Tatra Force 6x6 vehicle targeting European and export markets. The move reflects NATO-wide urgency to counter low-cost drones with affordable mobile gun-based air defense systems rather than relying solely on expensive interceptors. The agreement represents more than a single vehicle integration. According to CSG, the EU-based joint venture is designed to structure long-term technical cooperation in air defense, electronic warfare, smart munitions, and border security, areas that are now central to European defense planning. Establishing the venture inside the EU has direct implications for procurement eligibility, sovereignty considerations, and life cycle support within European supply chains. As part of the localization process, production is planned to be transferred to Czech CSG facilities in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, creating a regional industrial footprint for sustainment, future variants, and rapid support to European operators. The German Arms Procurement Agency has contracted Polaris spaceplanes to develop and flight test a two-stage reusable hypersonic test vehicle. The platform is being built under the Hypersonic Test and Experimentation Vehicle Program. Its concept was developed between 2024 and 25, with the platform scheduled to be flight ready by the end of 2027. HYTEV is intended to serve as a hypersonic testbed and experimental platform supporting defense related scientific and institutional research. In a secondary role, the vehicle could also function as a space plane for reconnaissance missions beyond the atmosphere. The Danish Ministry of Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organization signed a large volume framework agreement with Rheinmetall on 30th of January worth millions of euros for the supply of ammunition for the Danish armed forces. The 7-year agreement covers the supply of ammunition, including 30 mm and 35 mm rounds for infantry fighting vehicles and self-propelled anti-aircraft guns, 120 mm rounds for main battle tanks, and 155 mm ammunition for artillery. The agreement also covers training ammunition. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.